Okay, to sign up for a hosting account, come down here to create an account. And we're at hosting.mcreasoft.com. There's no fee or charge or nothing like that to create a hosting account. So I'm going to log into this with the account I want to share. And here basically is the entire system. At a glance, you can add sites here when you're ready to add sites. You'll have all your WordPress information here for your individual sites. So come over here and let's just take a look at this site here. We come to WordPress and it'll tell you the current version, and you can check for updates, tell your themes, let you know if there's updates available, and it will automatically update them as well. You can come to PHP logs in case there's troubleshooting stuff to do. You can even go over here and you can duplicate or clone your site to a new domain. Just add domain, you select your hosting plan, and you just will create that clone of that original site. So I can clone this site if I want. The thing I really want to show you is I'm just going to go out to that site, just how incredibly fast the sites are. And this is literally brand new. I created it 2 days ago, or actually created it yesterday. And I created all these blog posts using the Passive Profits plugin. And I created all the hyperlinks to my various products that I sell. And so it's already starting to generate marginal traffic. It won't be much. If we go back into our program here and go to site details, you can see it was posted yesterday. It's already had 29 visitors. So your stats will be here, your resource will be here, and to actually get into WordPress admin, you'll click on the WP admin button, and that will pop up and log you in to the admin section of your WordPress blogs. And you can see I added in Massive Passive Profits, or AIM Passive, the AI version of the program. It's already scheduled today's post. It's already done it. And it will go through each week, each day of the week, and schedule posts and add in, passive links that I want to add in. So it works really well. This is set up, the site will grow by itself. And it took me it takes a day for your domain name to propagate, but once that's done, it takes like nothing to get the site set up and done. I'm going to go look at my other hosting account with more accounts. And here you can see all the different sites that I have and when they were actually created in my hosting platform. You see somewhere way back in March. This one here was created on July 29th. This is the actual website you're on now. I just migrated it over to this system. So I'm going to go over here to McReaSoft. You can see I got 260 visits in one day. That's enough to generate clicks on ads and stuff like that. I go here and you can see the domain I have, all the DNS setups, updates of all the WordPress plugins, and all the themes. And that way, if I need to update them, I can do so. It keeps me informed what's going on. It will automatically update most of them. All the information I want, if I wanted to clone the site, I'll come to miscellaneous. But it's super easy to use. It's super fast. If we go ahead and go back to the list of websites, let's grab a site that's been around for a little while. Okay, this one's been around since March 18th, so it's fairly new. I'm going to click on that little button right here, and it's going to pop up the actual site itself. And the thing that's important to understand is how incredibly fast this is. Now, blogs require a lot of data, and if you put them on shared hosting, like a HostGator or Liquid Web shared hosting account, you're going to have poor performance, which will impact your website's traffic volume, because Google looks for sure at how quickly your site renders in order to understand whether this is a good site that's well taken care of and if they want to send people to it. If it takes too long, the visitor will just back-click the arrow. So when it's super fast like these sites are, there's just literally no reason for the search engine not to send traffic as long as you have good content, good links, and a good interlinking. That's what all this stuff down here is, to keep people on your site. They'll start reading multiple posts. Just look how bloody quick that changes. This got nothing to do with my internet connection. I have just standard cable internet connection, nothing fancy. But it's got to do with how fast the hosting service is so that we don't have any delay in rendering a page. This will allow Google to give this site a little bit more authority, and ultimately, over time, it will generate a lot more traffic.